2019 Toyota Corolla, Japanese edition. See the signs on the front? That's pretty cool. And the yin and yang. Really nice car. Got ground effects and all that nice stuff. All right, what we got done on it, factory converter there, manifold converter up there, left the resonator there, and then we did custom duals. They usually come single, and we made it into a dual. So we have a custom white pipe made right there, as you guys can see. Then out on each side, there and there, into some quad tips out the back. There and they're black. Look at that, came out beautiful, absolutely clean. Came out nice. So usually this side comes closed up with a box. So you just cut it off and there's a wide opening for it for the TRD edition. This is the SC edition Sport. All right. There's a single exhaust that was on it before. Right there. We took it off and dualed it out. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. What do you think? More? We can make it more. Take the resonator out, put a vibrant. So if you want it louder, come back and let us know. Okay. But drive it for a week, see how you like it. Okay. That sounds pretty good. Yeah. Your sound decibels? Right up 101. That's perfect. Hell yeah. Yeah, but if you want it louder, we can always make it louder. That's an option, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. It's a nice Camry. Yeah. They've got the wing. Carbon fiber all the way around. Ground effects. Oh, that's clean. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. It's nice. What you guys hear on the inside? Toyota Camry. And after he told me this is the original Toyota symbol. When it first came out, that's what it looked like in Japan. So learned some new history today, so check that out. That's pretty cool. Something different. If you would have not watched this channel, you would have never knew that. So it's really cool.